I want to quickly compare and contrast three SunTrust credit cards. So we have the SunTrust Cash Rewards credit card, the SunTrust Travel Rewards credit card, and the SunTrust Prime Rewards credit card. Don't go anywhere. You're going to love today's conversation. I guarantee it. Welcome back to another edition of the Awesome Story Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to talk to you about SunTrust. This is the bank that is now called Truist, and we want to compare and contrast three credit cards from SunTrust. We have SunTrust Cash Rewards credit card, the Travel Rewards credit card, and the Prime Rewards credit card. It's very important, folks, to understand that when we speak about SunTrust, or Truist now, as it is now called, great institution, by the way, great bank, by the way, we are talking about a bank that offers different kinds of credit cards. So in today's conversation, I'm only reviewing three, but you have other credit cards also. You may have to deal with some restrictions in terms of geography when you apply for a SunTrust credit card, because the bank right now operates, geographically speaking, in Alabama, Arkansas, Florida, Georgia, Maryland, Mississippi, North Carolina, South Carolina, Tennessee, Virginia, Washington, D.C., and West Virginia. However, if you have a relationship with the bank, for example, if you open an online account or you have a business account with them or a credit card, you can qualify for these credit cards, okay? So you just need to have an NPR with the bank, even if you don't live in those states that I just listed. There is actually, there are a lot of redemption options when you sign up for a SunTrust credit card. So for example, you can redeem your points through a statement credits or direct deposit. It really depends on you. Gift cards or merchandise, travel and experiences. So you can use cashback rewards to pay the full price, for example, or you can use them to offset some of the cost and pay for the rest. In terms of your FICO, they go with a 650 to 850. 650 is the minimum, but if you have a strong NPR, if you have lots of money parked with them, lots of money saved with them, they will consider you, even if you have a FICO score that goes all the way to 550. Otherwise, the standard requirements are 650 to 850, and they want you to have a job, not a full-time job, but just a job, and that pays at least $18,000 gross income. So we're talking about $1,500 gross income every single month. Before I get into the actual review, please check out our short credit card evaluation approach video. It talks to you about our very strict method when it comes to reviewing, categorizing, and listing credit cards on this show. Check this out. Let me start with the SunTrust Cash Rewards, folks. We love the fact that this card has a bonus cashback on gas and groceries. Fantastic. No annual fee. Really wonderful. And the APR is really decent. Really good. 11.24% to 21.24%. And that's, of course, based on your FICO. And the thing you need to understand with this SunTrust Cash Rewards credit card is that it is basically a rewards card that offers cardholders the opportunity to earn cashback and other rewards. Okay, and the card also offers access to a free monthly FICO score and SunTrust World MasterCard benefits. This is really good. And for us, this is the nice part is that there's no annual fee and you have no foreign transaction fees. And it even offers a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months after opening the account. Think about it. 15 months. Wonderful. Credit card. That's why we love credit cards on this show. We love credit cards, especially when they are issued by great institutions like SunTrust, okay? You have an introductory 5% cashback on this card, and this is on up to $6,000 of eligible gas and grocery purchases during the first 12 months after opening the account. And after that, the gas and grocery purchases earn 2% cash back, and all other qualifying purchases earn 1% cash back. There's no annual fee. We love that. You have client exclusive bonus. So depending on your relationship with the bank, SunTrust clients can get 10, 25%, or 50% more cash back when depositing rewards directly into their SunTrust banking account. That's what I was telling you earlier. You want to have this MPR. You want to have this multi-product relationship with SunTrust. Very important. You also have the SunTrust World Mastercard cardholder options. This is really good. And one thing I want to say about the drawbacks for this card, you have a late payment fee that goes all the way to $39. There is a limit on earning the 5% cash back, okay? And there is a balance transfer fee. So this card has a balance transfer fee of 3% of the amount transferred, or $10, whichever is greater. So those are things you need to think about when considering this rewards credit card. And also you need to think about the fact that you need to have a relationship with the bank to really benefit from all those rewards or have an increase in the reward quota. Other things I want to talk to you about. So here are some other benefits that you really want to have. Again, we love SunTrust because they have been innovating. They've been expanding the list of benefits over the years. So when you have the SunTrust Cash Rewards, you have baggage delay insurance, you have cell phone protection. Obviously, this list is not exhaustive, right? But we'll just give it to you anyway, so you have an idea. You have free access to your FICO score. You have Master Roadside Service. You have a Master Travel Assistance Services. You have Purchase Assurance, Travel Services, Medical Assistance, Trip Cancellation or Interruption Insurance, Worldwide Automatic Travel, Accident Insurance, and you have zero liability coverage. So this is really good when you think about that. Now, one thing you need to do in terms of maximizing your rewards. So during the first 12 months after opening an account, as a cardholder, you can earn 5% cash back on up to $6,000 of gas and grocery purchases. So after that, so once you get into the 13th month, the card offers 2% unlimited cash back on all qualifying gas and grocery purchases. And after that, you will earn 1% unlimited cash back rewards on all other qualifying purchases. The thing here is that you need to think about how you're going to redeem the cash back that you earn. You can actually purchase online gifts. You can receive store gifts. You can book hotels and airline travel tickets, or redeem your points for cash deposited directly into your savings or checking accounts. Okay, so those are really good things you need to think about. And let's quickly compare the SunTrust Cash Rewards credit card versus the Blue Cash Everyday card from American Express. And later on, I'll also compare the SunTrust Rewards credit card versus the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card. So when we talk about the first one, the Blue Cash Everyday card from American Express, you have to understand that the Blue Cash Everyday card from American Express offers 3% cash back at purchases after the introductory period. The card earns 1% unlimited cashback rewards on all other qualifying purchases. And what we believe here is that the SunTrust Cash Rewards credit card actually wins this. They are really great here. What about comparing them to Bank of America credit card? So the thing is that the Bank of America customized Cash Rewards credit card offers 3% cash back in a category of your choice, including gas, online shopping, travel, dining, and drugstores, and 2% cash back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs. So the 3% and 2% cashback earnings are eligible on up to $2,500 in combined choice category. Grocery store and wholesale club purchases each quarter, then it becomes 1%. You will then earn 1% cashback on all other purchases. So it really depends on whether or not you are in the right category when it comes to the Bank of America card. Let me talk to you about SunTrust Travel Rewards. This is the second card that we are reviewing in today's conversation, and this is a card that is now issued by Truist. This is a new name for SunTrust after the merger. And one thing I want to say here is that this is great for travel purchases. However, there is an annual fee of $89 waived for the first year. and the APR oscillates in the same band, 11.24% to 21.24%, based on credit worthiness. Okay, so when you think about the SunTrust Travel Rewards, I want you to think about a flexible travel rewards card. It earns an unlimited 3% cashback on travel, 2% cashback on dining, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. So with this card, you earn a $250 statement credit when you spend $3,000 on qualifying purchases in the first 3 months after account opening. There is a 0% introductory APR on balance transfers for 15 months, and after that, again, you go back to what I just said earlier, the variable 11.24 to 21.24% APR. And perks offered with this card include no foreign transaction fee and World Elite MasterCard benefits, kind of similar to the first card, which is but this benefits make this card, the SunTrust Travel Rewards card, an attractive option for people who want to earn cash back for travel and everyday purchases. So if you are in that duality, you will love this card. You will love the opportunity for savings it offers. So it's all about money, 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 right? Money, money, money. Let's get into the best features. So you have unlimited travel cashback. Really good. You have travel benefits. So travel benefits, I'm speaking about everything from cell phone protection to TSA pre-check fee credit. I'll talk about that later on. But you have a sign-up bonus. So I spoke about that, the $250 statement credit. You have a 0% balance transfer. The only thing is that there is a fee. Okay. You also have up to 50% cash deposit bonus. So when you redeem cash rewards to a SunTrust checking, savings, or money market account, you can get a cash deposit bonus of 10% to 50%, depending on your deposit relationship with SunTrust, which is why, again, for us, it's very important to make sure that you beef up your MPR with SunTrust. In terms of, there is a balance transfer fee. So even though you have 15 months, there is a fee, and the fee is $10 or 3% of the amount of the transfer, whichever is greater. And there is a cash advance fee, either $10 or 4% of the amount of each advance, whichever is greater. Okay, things you need to pay attention to. And for us, also, you also have the fact that you can get you can actually monitor your account. You can you have access to your dashboard. You can see your spending over time. That's just great. Let me dig a little deeper into SunTrust Travel Rewards credit card benefits. There are benefits to this credit card. Obviously, you got to be a frequent traveler, or you got to be someone who loves to travel. You don't have to travel all the time, but you have to, when you travel, you have to buy stuff. You have to use the card to really enjoy the constellation of benefits that comes with SunTrust Travel Rewards. Okay, let me give you an example. You have access to luxury travel amenities, a 24/7 concierge, and more. And benefits include also baggage delay insurance. You have cell phone protection. You have concierge service. I already said that. You have extended warranty coverage. You have global entry or TSA pre-check fee credit. You have a lounge key, airport lounge access. You have master roadside assistant. This is really good because if you get stranded, you would know how important it is to have a backup, to have to have support. You have master travel assistance services. You have MasterCard Global Service, MasterCard Identity Theft Protection, MasterCard Travel and Lifestyle Services. You have Master Rental Coverage, Master Trip Travel Assistance, Press Protection. For us, those are really good, especially if you are traveling a lot and you don't have time to, let's say, to fight a pricing discrepancy at a store that you maybe frequented when you were overseas. Having this price protection is kind of cool. Having purchase assurance is good. Travel services, medical assistance, this is really good, especially when you're overseas. Trip cancellation or interruption insurance, worldwide travel accident insurance, and zero liability coverage. So those are benefits that are really good, and we think that for the normal American household, those are worthwhile benefits. Okay, those are worthy benefits. And one thing you need to understand is that with 3% unlimited cashback for travel purchases, it's a great idea to use the SunTrust Travel Rewards credit card for travel purchases if you want to maximize cashback rewards. It's all about maximization, right? Optimization. This card also offers 2% cashback on qualifying dining purchases and 1% cashback on all other purchases. So those are really good in terms of the benefits. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another session of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We are still having a conversation today about 3 credit cards from SunTrust, now called Truist. And we want to review quickly here the SunTrust Prime Rewards credit card. And when you think about this, the card, I want you to think about no annual fee. You need to have excellent credit. If not, you want to have a strong relationship with the bank. And the APR oscillates from 11.24 to 21.24% based on your credit worthiness, okay? And we love the fact that this card is a balance transfer card that offers rewards for cardholders. So you can transfer balances with no fees for the first 60 days. So after 60 days, balance transfers are subject to a fee of 3% of each transfer with a $10 minimum, okay? And balance transfer have a prime rate for the first 3 years, then an APR of 11.24 to 21.24% based on your FICO score. So those are really, really good, okay? And one thing I need to say very clearly here is that let's talk about the rates and fees. Money, but also decision time, big decision time, really. Are you interested in this card? Are you contemplating getting it? Because it has a lot of very good highlights, very good benefits that could actually that you can use for your household or for yourself. For example, you have the 3-year introductory rate is really good. Think about it. Balance transfer credit cards often have introductory APR periods of 12 to 15 months. The SunTrust Prime Rewards credit card's balance transfer introductory period is 3 years. 3 years. Isn't that just great? That's just fantastic. However, the SunTrust Prime Rewards credit card's introductory rate for balance transfers is at the prime rate, not 0% like most other introductory rates. But again, the prime rate is kind of cool. Now, after the introductory period, the APR is 11.24% all the way to 21.24%. But again, the prime rate is very small compared to the regular APR. So if you were to ask me, 36 months is a great deal. Great deal. And you can cash in even more. Okay, you can get a loyalty cash bonus of 10%, 25%, or 50% based on your deposit relationship with SunTrust when you redeem your cash back directly into a SunTrust checking, savings, or money market account. Okay, you can enjoy hundreds of redemption options, including cash back, if that's what you want, e-gift cards, travel, and more. I want to quickly talk to you about some benefits that you will love with this credit card. And actually, the card has similar benefits to the other SunTrust cards. I think things like baggage insurance, baggage delay insurance, cell phone protection, trip cancellation, purchase rental. I'm not going to go through the whole list here because they are similar. Okay, so you have this, and one thing you need to understand here is that when the SunTrust Prime Rewards credit card, when you spend $500 in purchases on the card within your first 3 months of card membership, you will earn a $100 statement credit. This is really good, folks. With the SunTrust loyalty cash bonus, you can earn a bonus of 10% or more when you redeem your rewards as a deposit into a SunTrust checking, savings, or money market account. So those are really, really good. Okay, so let me give you an example. Quick example. If you have $100,000 or more in combined customer deposits and investment balances with SunTrust or are enrolled in the Premier Banking Program, you will earn a bonus of 50%. And a $100 deposit with the 50% is worth a total of $150. So this is really cool. And so when we compare this SunTrust Prime Rewards credit card to other credit cards, you have a better idea of what we're talking about. Let's compare this card to the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express. So the thing here is that with the Blue Cash Preferred American Express, with the Blue Cash Preferred card from American Express, you will earn 6% cash back on up to $6,000 in spending each year at U.S. supermarkets, then 1%, 6% cash back on select U.S. streaming subscriptions, 3% cash back at U.S. gas stations and on transit, including taxi, ride-sharing services, parking, and buses, and unlimited 1% cash back on other purchases. What about the SunTrust Prime Rewards credit card versus Citi Double Cash card, the 18-month balance transfer? Well, you can see that with the 18-month balance transfer, you will earn 1% on purchases and 1% as you pay for those purchases. Okay, so overall, when you compare this card with the Citi Premier, with the Citi Double Cash card, the SunTrust card it just comes out ahead in terms of all the benefits, in terms of also special access to events, for example. Okay. All right, so which one do you have to choose, folks? I have compared and contrasted 3 SunTrust credit cards, and you need to think about which one you need to choose, right? Big decision time, big decision time. Let's look at those cards again. So you have the SunTrust Cash Rewards, the SunTrust Travel Rewards, and the SunTrust Prime Rewards. And it's important to understand that the card that you ultimately choose will depend on your needs, will depend on your spending patterns. Are you an everyday shopper? Are you a frequent traveler? Are you a light traveler? Those are things you need to think about. What is your financial situation like? What is your FICO score? Talk to me about those. Those are really critical. So when we talk about the SunTrust Cash Rewards, for example, you have an introductory 5% cash back. There's no annual fee. You have client exclusive. You have a client exclusive bonus. You have a flexible rewards option, and you also have some cardholder benefits. So those are the SunTrust World Mastercard cardholder benefits are applicable to all of SunTrust credit cards. Okay. What about the SunTrust Travel Rewards? Here you have unlimited travel cashback, and this is great for folks who are into travel, who travel a lot, and who love to travel for business or for leisure. And you do have travel benefits that you can actually enjoy with this card, and you have a sign-up bonus, something you don't have with the SunTrust Cash Rewards. With the SunTrust Travel Rewards, you can when you spend $3,000 on qualifying purchases in the first 3 months after account opening, you will get a $250 in statement credit. You have 0% balance transfer for 15 months, and you have up to 50% cash deposit bonus. What about the SunTrust Prime Rewards? So this is their premium card, if you will. Here you have a 3-year introductory rate. Okay, I've said this before. This is not 0%, but this is prime. So you will get 3 years of balance transfer promo, if you will, at the prime rate. But it's still good because the I don't even know right now how much is the prime rate, but it's single digit, very small. And there is a sign-up bonus with this card also. So you get a $100 statement credit for making $500 in purchases on the card within your first 3 months of card membership. Okay, the card has no annual fee, as it is the case for all other SunTrust credit cards. And we enjoy the fact that this card is great also for other stuff, not just the balance transfer, but also for purchases. It has a constellation of benefits, travel benefits also. So folks, after analyzing those 3 players, our pick is the Cash Rewards credit card, the SunTrust Cash Rewards MasterCard. So we have actually rated this card 9.5 over 10, the Prime Rewards 9 over 10, and the Travel Rewards 8.5 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I'll speak to you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.